In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can finish your quest here in Soccer Zero on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, once you do go ahead and get loaded into Soccer Zero, you need to first check to see what your quests are going to be. There's two different quests that you're going to want to target. For example, if you look up in the top left and select the little icon one up here, these are just quests that require you to come in and play every single day. These get you free rewards, so it's worth doing, but the main ones are going to be the one right next to it, which is like this little book with a question mark on it. These are your daily and weekly quests. You're going to have 3 quests that you can do every single day. They reset every 24 hours, and it looks like I've already done one of mine right here, but my other ones is just going to be dribbling 35 times and scoring 25 goals. These are pretty much the exact same for every single person every single day. Like when they reset, it's the exact same for the most part. You just need to go in and of course knock these out and of course come back and then hit claim on them once you have them done. I've already claimed one of them, as you can see, but you're also going to want to focus on your weekly quest as well. These reset every single week. They're a little bit harder, but they are at the exact same time worth it because they give you better rewards. But yeah, that's going to be the full process right here. That's how you can go ahead and finish your quest here in Soccer Zero. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.